In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a small business owner. We'll set up a simple workspace you can use right away to stay on top of your operations, with a practical example focused on weekly finance management. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. From the results, click the official ClickUp website to open it. If you're new to the platform, you'll be prompted to create an account. Otherwise, sign in to your existing one so you can build your workspace. Once you're in, it's time to create a new space. Think of a space as a container for a major area of your business, like finance, marketing, or operations. Look for the plus sign, usually in the sidebar or near your spaces list, and click it to start a brand new space. Give your space a clear, useful name. For this example, we'll use Weekly Finance Review, which makes it obvious what the space is for and when you'll use it. Next, add a short description to set context for yourself and anyone on your team. A simple option is Objective: monitor business finances weekly. This helps align everyone on the purpose of the space and how it should be used. When you're ready, click Continue. Then click Create Space to finalize your setup and jump into organizing your work. Now let's add your first task. In this space, create a task for something you do regularly, like record daily sales. You can also add a couple more, such as track expenses and review outstanding payments. Each task should represent one clear action, so it's easy to start and easy to finish. For every task, set a due date. Click the due date field and choose the date that fits your rhythm. For example, you might set daily sales to repeat on weekdays and your expense review for Fridays. The key is to anchor tasks to realistic deadlines so nothing slips. You can also set a priority level to communicate urgency at a glance. Mark critical items as high or urgent and keep routine tasks as normal or low. This makes it easy to triage your day and focus on what matters most. Finally, choose a status for each task to reflect its progress. Common statuses include To Do, In Progress, and Done. Update the status as you work so your space stays accurate and your week stays organized. That's it. You've searched for ClickUp, opened the site, created a space, named and described it, confirmed the setup, added tasks, and dialed in due dates, priorities, and statuses. Keep your naming consistent, review your space weekly, and you'll build a reliable system that supports your business with clarity and focus.